One of our most frequently asked questions is, how do I divide something? Now, it's pretty simple. Here I've got a little Anthurium, one that we've used in our garden just a few minutes ago, and this is how you divide it. When they get clumpy like this, really masses, you can see that there are loads of them. This would be the same for grasses, it would be the same for daylilies, for irises, many of your strap-like plants, also your flaxes. It's a very similar principle. All you want to do is grab the plant gently in the center, just like that, and you're going to open it up. And as you do that, you're going to move it around a bit. As you start doing that, you'll see the roots will start coming apart. And by just doing that gently, there we go, it comes apart. And already I've got 2 plants. What is important is that whatever you are going to be removing or breaking off, because most of these perennials are pretty sturdy and they're quite flexible in terms of being able to open them up. All you've got to do is make sure that you've got some roots on it. I mean, here is a gorgeous little incy-wincy little plant. You're going to take these guys, if they've got very long roots, like this one over here, quite long roots, you don't need to have to try and bury all those roots into a pot. All you do, prune away some of the roots. This would go for agapanthus, for your irises, for clivias as well. You don't need to have all the roots. Prune them away a bit and then put them into a container. And I've got a beautiful mixture here of potting soil with a bit of compost. Got some bone meal in it as well, just to keep it nice and good. And there we go, is my first little guy planted. I would leave him in here for a good few months, let him settle in. From here, I can then move it straight into the garden. And I'm going to carry on with these little guys as well.